Well, it's a long journey. I started worship leading when I was about 15 years old, and I grew up, born and raised in New York. Grew up in Queens, and a PK's kid, pastor's kid.
All right.
You know, we grew up in the church our whole life. Everything we did, everything, our whole environment, our culture, our friends, you know, everything revolved around the church. Being a pastor's kid, you have a lot of pressure, but you're right in the middle of it all. And so at the age of 15 was the first time that I was asked to lead worship. Really no formal training. At that point, I didn't even know I sang. You know, I was just like, okay. And I just went, and my first night, you know, I just went up there. My mom tutored me a little bit on it because she used to lead worship for some time, for some years. And then we practiced a little bit in the house. We put together a set list without prior practicing with musicians, without any prior rehearsals, without anything. I kind of just got thrown in there, and you know, thrown in there, and I started worshiping. You know, that was really how it was birthed at age 15.